Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making pizza. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So for this recipe, I will be using bread flour, yeast, sugar, oil, and some salt. Now if you want the detailed recipe, look in the description box below and you will find everything you need. And of course we're using water as well. Of course, with this recipe, we're using my bread maker to make the dough. So here I'm pouring the water, the oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I poured in my kosher salt, some sugar, and I'm pouring in my bread flour. Now for pizza dough, you absolutely need bread flour, or you're not going to get the consistency that you're looking for. And then I added my yeast. This is my bread maker, and I'm clicking on it until I get to number 12, which is the pizza dough option, and then I press start on my bread maker and you can see that it's mixing. Now you can use, if you have any mixer of your choice. This is just what I have, and I'm a soft girl. I'm in my soft girl era, so I'm using a bread maker. But you can mix it by hand, do absolutely what it works for you. After the bread maker did its thing, I leave the dough to rest for about an hour for it to puff up, and then I transferred it to my work area here to further knead it and then let it rest again. So here I'm just kneading it by hand for about 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't knead it too much because my bread maker has already done the hard work. So I separated it into 4 parts and then took the one that I wanted to use and let it sit to rest a little bit more, and I transferred the rest into my freezer so I can use it later. So here, while my dough is resting, I decided to cut up my toppings. So here I'm using onions, green bell pepper and red bell pepper, and some chicken as well. So I'm cutting my red bell pepper here into slices. So just a quick reminder for you, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and make sure to turn on your notification so you can be notified anytime that I post, and don't forget to share as well. So next I am trying to beat the dough to the shape that I want, which is the round shape for the pizza. So I bring in my pizza pan here and I'm separating and trying to flatten the dough as much as I can, and after that I would add all of my toppings. So for my toppings here, I have my pizza sauce, which I of course put some chili pepper flakes in there because I refuse to eat anything without pepper. I added my mozzarella cheese and my peppers and onions and green bell peppers, and that is my chicken. The chicken I actually had at home and then decided to like shred it and put it. After adding the chicken, I added more mozzarella cheese and I baked this in the oven at 15 minutes at 500 degrees. And you guys, the result, no, like look at this pizza and tell me that this is not pizza. Like, it was juicy, it was cheesy, so easy to make as well. So if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and do leave a like and a comment and let me know if you would be trying this recipe, or if there's any other recipe that you would like me to make. Well, thank you so much for watching, and bye.